What's good, y'all? We back with motherfucking another video, man. Nice early in the morning. Might as well get some content. So why not? Highway's not packed. But yeah, y'all. I hope everybody doing good. I hope everybody having a good day, blessed day. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading. I'm like truly sorry I haven't been uploading. I'm gonna give y'all a little update on what's been going on, why I haven't been uploading, and why I decided to upload today. So, for one, my brake booster on my car, it went bad. So those who know cars, know things about cars, hear them burbles. But for those who know about cars, the brake booster controls the brake and how soft the brake pedal is. Oh my god, y'all hear that? Oh my god. G37. Hear them burbles on that shit? Shit. Oh my god, flame tune. My bad, y'all. I got distracted. I'm gonna finish the story. Let me just drive real quick. Oh my god, y'all hear that? Golly. But yeah, back to what I was saying. God, flames. Shit. Shit. That shit hard, I ain't gonna lie. God, hear that shit? Oh my god, that shit sound crazy. But yeah, back to what I was saying. My brake booster on my car went bad. My car is, I guess the brakes are like air assisted through the brake booster, the brake pump, vacuum pump, whatever. So because that brake booster went bad, when I press the brake, it just feel OD stiff, and it's like I gotta put extra pressure down to brake the car. So basically, it's not smart to be speeding and cutting up with a bad brake booster. So I felt like it was no point in uploading until I get it fixed. But then I went to the shop, they ordered it for me, and then when they ordered it, come to find out that the part was fucking back ordered. So because it was back ordered, it took damn near a month to come. And yesterday, today is May 9th. Today is May 9th, y'all. So yesterday, mechanic, the shop called me. They called me and told me that the part is here and to come next week to get it put on. So I was like, you know what, I'm feeling nice. I damn near been driving a whole month with a bad brake booster. So I'm like, you know what, let me just upload a video for y'all today. Let me get a video going for y'all. Just to film me upload on my channel, because I know it's been a month. But I swear, after this, my car is good. I'm uploading at least twice a week. At least twice a week. I promise y'all, At least twice a week. Yeah. But yeah, that's why if y'all see I'm not really taking crazy cuts, just simply off that cause my brake booster is bad. I don't want to crash. Cause if I have to do any sudden braking, like let's say a car brake checks me, I'm cooked. I'm cooked, y'all. So your boy is cooked. Yeah. I swear to God, y'all, don't worry. I promise y'all, I'm gonna upload daily. I'm gonna upload as much as I can. I feel like I've been slacking, but it's out of my control. But we back. Stay tuned for all the content. Stay tuned for all the upgrades I'm gonna put on this car, cause we not done. I haven't been doing anything to this car. Yeah. Q60. Golly. I was thinking about going to get a vacuum real quick, like vacuum the inside of my car. I'm not gonna wash it because it's raining, but I got a POD, so we could do that later. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Holy smoly. Get a little jiggy for the video. Highway's looking nice. Oh my God, I'm going 100. But yeah, y'all, I gotta really be careful because, like I said, any sudden braking I gotta do, I'm cooked. The car is not stopping. But I'm gonna get money for y'all because oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this fool. Yo, I'm uploading this video today. I promise y'all. Today I'm uploading this video. Shoulder. I don't like taking shoulders, but fuck it. I'm gonna upload this video today for y'all. I swear to God. We're finna get off the highway right here. Oh my God, you had those burbos. Oh my God. Golly. know they looking like, yo, he got this big ass camera on his head. Yo, chat, we off the highway. I don't know why I got the GPS, so I know where I'm at. Fuck, I gotta pee. Golly, I could never get tired of this. I could never get tired of this. E90 M3. I don't know if y'all saw that. Golly. X3M 40. M5, X5M. I could never get tired of it. Y'all hear that shit, y'all? Oh my god, let me make sure no cars coming. You hear them fucking intakes? God, sneezy, poppy. Pause. That was crazy, but I know what I meant. You know, cause the car's popping. That was crazy what I just said. Oh, I see that Q50 on bags. That shit look clean as fuck. I might go to the gym today. Come on. Chop chop. Now. Hurry. Fuck you. Let me chill out, y'all. There's speed cameras over here. We don't follow rules. See that speed camera right there? We're gonna make sure we under 35. So we're gonna enjoy these intake noises. Just gonna enjoy these noises. Yeah. Should I run this, y'all? Early in the morning causing havoc, nigga. That's what I like to do. I like to startle everybody's morning and fuck their morning up. You gonna hear this shit. You gonna hear these fucking burbles and fucking shit. But yeah, I haven't really been doing anything to my car either, simply with the fact that I'm trying to get it fixed. So that's why I haven't gotten any more mods, nothing else crazy. I do plan on doing the diff bolt, doing all the maintenance underneath, transfer case fluid. Oh shit, that's an X5M right there. My bad, y'all. Y'all see that X5M? Y'all probably not even gonna be able to see it, but that shit same color as my shit right now. That's crazy. We gonna go past it, y'all. We gonna see it. Right there, y'all. excuse my language, y'all, female. Not a bitch. But yeah, y'all. I plan on doing all my fluids and shit, diff ball, all of the maintenance. Probably I'm gonna do my spark plugs too. All of that before I tune. You just gotta do what you gotta do. Gotta be smart. But yeah, trust me, y'all, I swear to God, and I put it on God because I really mean it. I'm being consistent. We gonna get these videos in. I might fuck around and just make a couple more videos, even though my car's not fixed yet. Like I said, it's gonna get fixed next week. And it's May 9th right now. So next week, I think next Thursday, it's gonna get fixed. I swear to God, y'all, I'm gonna upload. I'm gonna, feel me, be consistent. Who that? Nah, let me stop. But I'm gonna be consistent. We finna be consistent, y'all. I swear. I swear to God, y'all. Videos is gonna be dropping. Heat's gonna be dropping. We finna get this, feel me? This show on the road. Collabs, everything. We getting money. We gonna do this. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video here, y'all. Hope y'all like this little video, updated video. Tell y'all what I got going on, what's going on with the car. I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, when y'all see this video, it's May 9th. This video is dropping today. Once I get in the crib, I'ma pee, shower, and we finna, you know, finna upload.